why you teach is to make sure that your student ends up speaking the target language, right? Right. So what is it that blocks your students from understanding the points here? Your students get bored, okay? He or she is bored. They tell you this right to your face. You feel embarrassed and you're thinking about a new way, a good, natural activity that you've been thinking of. Now, here is it. I have one for you. Picture composition. I came across picture composition just like that, okay, in a book I was reading, just, doing my research. And I came across this book and I was like, wow, so many different activities. And all these activities are for speaking activities, are all speaking activities. And believe it or not, they are really useful. I've been using picture composition for a few months now in my school, and all the students are positive about it. Believe it or not, seriously positive about it. And for this reason, I was thinking, okay, if this is positive, let me share this with you guys, okay? So you can tell me what you think about it. What is picture composition? Picture composition is quite easy. You have a basic picture, people engaging in different activities, people sitting in a park, people sitting in a mall, buying stuff, and you just comment about it. You talk about it. In other words, you are just gossiping. So how do you organize the speaking activity for your students? How do you make this interesting for them? But most importantly, how do you make it natural? You need some specific points, okay? First point, the appropriate picture. Choose the appropriate picture. You need a picture that is really informative. People engaging in different activities. The streets full of people, crowded with people engaging in different activities. This is informative. Different activities, different positions, different situations, different emotions. This will be very, very good for the student. Okay, you got the picture, perfect. Now that you got the picture, you need to get the right tense. I generally go for the present continuous tense because it is the easiest one. I don't know why, but students like it most. So to make them feel comfortable, to encourage them throughout the activity, for a start, you better use the present continuous. Why? Because the present continuous will help you, okay, and the students will feel comfortable. The students will use the present continuous even easier. Okay, so this is very good for you. Now, with the present continuous, you can also provide questions easily. And of course, because the action is going on the moment, okay, the student will be likely to understand the activity more easily, at least for a start. Now, let me seize this opportunity to show you how it works here. There, check this out. We have a picture, okay, and I am going to show you what I'm talking about here. How to use a picture composition to teach grammar. So, check this out. So, we have this picture. As you can see, there are a lot of students, and the good thing is there are both males and females, and they are all in the same room, okay? This is interesting because you see they are engaged in different activities at the same time, which means that the picture is really appropriate. It is informative, okay? They are all engaging in different activities, which means that the students will be able to use different verbs, okay? And this is good because there are different activities, so the students will be able to produce different types of sentences. We will focus, in this video, we are going to focus on grammar only, okay? So we said the second point was to choose the verb. Let's say you're choosing the present continuous. Check this out. We have, for example, Robert here. We have Sarah. We have Emma. We have Amy, Jack, Toby, Jason, Molly, Jenny, and the rest. So look at this. You might ask the student a question, okay? What is Robert doing? The student has the opportunity to observe Robert and clearly understand what he is doing. The student is likely to say cooking, for example. Don't blame him for that. Take it easy. The student is cooking, for example. It's more liable, but you might think that the student is baking. Oh, do you mean baking? Ah, yes, the student is baking. The student is baking. So you see, Oh, what is Sarah doing? Oh, Sarah is sleeping, the student might say. Okay, the good idea here is this activity is very good for students who already have some kind of basic level, okay? And really, if they have a basic level like A2, for example, or even B1 students are very good for this activity. They are able to produce sentences very easily from what they see in the screen. You see, check this out. Now, you have Emma. Oh, what is Emma doing? Emma is listening to music. To make it easy, somehow you can decide to give the verb, okay, in infinitive form. The student will complete by using the present continuous. And this way it is really good because you will see that, for example, for Heidi and Catherine. Heidi and Catherine, what are they doing? Oh, Catherine and Heidi are singing. They are singing. Yes. What are Frank and Dave doing? Frank and Dave are playing table tennis. So you see, just moving from one point to the other, asking question and you get the answer from the students. And gradually you stick on the present continuous. You might ask extra questions. For example, oh, what is Dave and Frank doing? Oh, they are playing table tennis. Good. Very good. But, oh, what is Toby doing? Toby is watching a movie, for example. He might say Toby is watching a movie. Is he happy? Yes, he is happy. Oh, what is Jack doing? You say to draw, for example, and the student might say, Jack is drawing, etc. So this is how you can move, okay? You use all the illustrations here for the student to provide you sentences. And this is very good. This is a very basic one. We are going to, with time, I will provide you more videos like this so that you know how to use picture composition like a professional. Okay, you will see that there are different ways to really improve speaking with picture composition in a funny and really more natural way. You are just gossiping, you are just talking, it's really cool, and most students, they really like it. It's encouraging, it's really good. It's like having a normal conversation with someone, and believe it or not, somehow they will feel more how can I say, more important, more communicative, and more comfortable to be participating in during your lessons. So let me know if this was very helpful. How are your students doing, by the way? Are they communicative? Are they tell me more about it in the commentaries. I'm quite curious. Have you ever used picture composition before? If no, do you think it is effective? It will be effective for you to do it. So let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you.